Hi, I'm Justine Louise. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for you for a new beauty subscription box that I just recently subscribed to, and it is called White Willow. It's actually a Canadian company. I'm not quite sure how I found them. I think maybe I got a newsletter from Chatelaine or maybe Flair, which are Canadian magazines, listing some of the best subscription boxes for Canadians. Being in Canada, we don't have access to all the same beauty boxes that you guys get in the States. Like, I don't think we can get Ipsy. I definitely can't get Sephora Play, the Allure beauty box. I mean, you guys have a million of them. I can get FabFitFun, which is great, and I recently subscribed to them. But in Canada, we're a little bit more limited. So currently I have FabFitFun, and I also have the Simply Beautiful box by BC Living. So this is also a BC box. It came from Vancouver, and this one is a bi-monthly box. So you get one every 2 months. This is actually their January-February box, but I was away, so I've only just received it now. So there is another box for March, April, and I believe that one comes out in April. Now each box is around $50. If you sign up for 2 months at a time, you get a slight discount. I think it's about $95. So it's a little bit of savings. So that's the box that I chose. So I'm going to be getting this box and then one more in April. So I think after I open this one and see what's inside, I'll make my decision if I'm going to continue on as a subscriber. But what I saw looked really nice when I looked on their website, and I did look at a couple of unboxings. They're very small. I think there's about 4 or 5 items, but they're very high quality items, and they're lifestyle beauty and things like that. I don't think that they are local. I think it's just happens to be produced in Vancouver. So anyway, this is the box. It did come in a big traditional Canada Post brown box, and then this one was inside, and it's just like the typical other beauty boxes. And just so you know, I haven't opened it and I haven't looked at any spoilers either, but I have unsealed it just so it's easier on camera. So, unveil your surprise. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. It's in a nice white tissue with a beautiful satin ribbon saying White Willow. Very nice. And it looks like it's got that usual springy stuffing stuff that ends up everywhere. Kind of like Easter grass. So I'm very excited to see what's in here. Ooh, a rose mask sheet. The most romantic mask sheet ever. Okay. It's just a sheet mask. It has a lot of Asian writing, so I'm assuming it's a Korean product. Seoul, Korea. So that's exciting. It feels like a jelly kind of a face mask. I don't really use these. I have a whole bunch of them, and I just never get around. I've used a lot of the under eye ones, but I should use them. I have a bunch of them, but I always think they're a bit gooey. But anyway, I'm definitely going to try that mask rose, which is always very nice. Oh, I guess you should always read the card first, right? This is a welcome thing because they know it's my first. And yeah, it's just a welcome card, which is nice. And here we go, February. This is going to be, I think, a list of all the items, so I'm not going to peek at that just yet. But I will look at the mask. That has a $7 Canadian retail value. Ooh, a bag. Wow. So this looks like it is a crossbody bag. Mine's a nice taupe color with rose gold hardware. I don't generally wear crossbody bags. I love the idea, but for some reason they hurt my shoulder, and I thought that's what a crossbody bag is for. But anyway, this is kind of a nice bag. It's probably good for travel with your passports and things, and lots of zips. And it's got like almost like a tree emblem there. It's plastic. Probably won't use it, but it is very pretty, very nice. It has a nice long strap. So let's see what this says. Quilted crossbody purse. Doesn't really say anything more about it, but you would get either a taupe one like that I received or a black. So I received the taupe, but unfortunately I don't think I'd be using that. But it's very nice. Andalou Naturals. Now I have heard a lot about this company. I don't know why. Maybe some YouTubers have been talking about it. It's 1,000 Roses Floral Toner with rose stem cell soothing resilience for sensitive skin. Now this sounds very nice. I've heard rose toners are really good. Delicate and dry skin. Wow. Very pretty. Looks like a mist, or I'll probably use it as a mist. Currently I'm using the Cloverly one, but I'm almost finished. So yeah, I might just spray this in my morning skincare routine or just to freshen up. So what does the card say? Yeah, it's cruelty-free, certified organic, fair trade ingredients. Very nice, yeah. Yeah, it's just a nice mist, so I'll definitely be using that. And there's 2 more things. Karat, chocolates by Julian Hellman. Oh no. Oh no! Merlot and blackcurrant, creme caramel, Quail's Gate Riesling ice wine, and maple. My mom loves Quail's Gate wines. And ice wine is my husband's absolute favorite. Wow, that's very nice. So they must be local because Quail's Gate, I think, is from Kelowna. 4 handcrafted seasonal Okanagan Valley inspired chocolates. Natural and delectable centers encased in the world's finest and most delicate couverture chocolate shell. Wow, very nice. And that has a $9 value. Oh, and that rose toner had a $17 value. And this is Canadian, I'm mentioning. And last but not least, this looks nice. It is a little tray. Rings or jewelry, things like that. I actually always in my bedroom, whenever I wear jewelry that's sparkly and I've worn it a couple of times and it's dull, I keep them all in a little bowl. And then that way when I do my jewelry cleaning, I've got a big sonic cleaner, and then I know which jewelry needs to be cleaned. So this will be perfect for that, and I will place all my little goodies in there. This is actually really cute. It's not something I would buy, but it's something I definitely will get use out of, so I'm happy for that. Nice lips. And that says Square Gold Lips Dish Trinket Tray, and that has a $19 value. So yeah, it's probably something you'd get at Winners or that kind of thing. So anyway, overall it's a very nice box. $50, I don't know, I'm not crazy about this bag, like it's a plastic, so it's, anyway, be nice. Everything is very lovely, and I'm sure I'm going to use most of it. So all in all, it was a nice box, and I will get one more box, and I think after that one I'll make a decision if I'm going to continue on. But I do enjoy supporting local companies, and especially when it's a box that does deliver to Canada. That's always a bonus. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed it, and I will link everything below of the items, as well as how to order one of these boxes yourself. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click like, and if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.